tide rolls in with a whispering song. It's called my name for ages long. Beyond the foam where the white gulls cry, my heart was born beneath the sky. I hear the call of the sea, wild and endless, calling me through wind and wave. My soul will roam for the sea. The sea is my only home. The cliffs stand guard with ancient grace. Their stones remember every face of those who dreamed, who dared to sail. Their spirits ride each ocean gate. I hear the call of the sea, wild and endless, calling me through wind and wave. My soul will roam for the sea. The sea is my only home. Let the storm be my prayer tonight. Let the moon be my guiding light. If destiny drifts beyond the foam, then my heart will find its home. I hear the call of the sea. Through every dawn it carries me. Though shores may fade and stars may fall, I'll follow the sea. I'll answer its call, the call of the sea. Forever and The mist rolls down from the silver hills. The river hums beneath her will. Barefoot she stands where the heather grows. The storm is near, yet her spirit knows. She waits in the rain, her heart unspoken, for a promise made, for a vow not broken. Through wind and pain she still remains, a whisper of love in the falling rain. The sea cries low by the ancient pier, each wave a word she longs to hear. His name is carved in the stones below, washed by tears. The tide still knows. She waits in the rain, her heart unspoken, for a promise made, for a vow not broken. Through wind and pain she still remains, a whisper of love in the falling rain. Lanterns fade in the heart and salt in her hair. She waits in the rain where the wild winds call for the one she loves beyond it all. And though he's gone, she feels his name in every drop of the endless rain. High above the hills of green, where rivers shine and woods convene, the falcon soars, his wings of flame. No chain can bind, no man can tame. Oh, falcon spirit, wild and free, guide my heart across the sea, through storm and shadow, night and day. Your song will show the ancient way. He circles where the druids pray, or standing stones the gods have made. His cry awakens earth and sky, a bridge where mortal souls may fly. Oh, falcon spirit, wild and free, guide my heart across the sea, through storm and shadow, night and day. Your song will show the ancient way. They say his feathers hold the stars, a map of fate, a healer's scars. And those who follow where he flies will see the truth through ancient eyes. Oh, falcon spirit, wild and free, guide my heart across the sea, through storm and shadow, night and day. Your song will show the ancient way. So when the winds of sorrow call, I look above the mountains tall, and trust the falcon's endless flight to lead me home through darkest night. On the hill where the red berries glow, a tree stands where the cold winds blow. Its roots run deep in the ancient ground, where whispers of old gods still resound. Oh, Rowan tree, keep watch for me. fading day. Find shelter where your branches sway. A charm of leaves that berry bright, a shield against the creeping night. Oh, Rowan tree, keep watch for me. Your branches guard my destiny. Through shadowed paths and midnight skies, you light the way where silence lies. They say your heart is carved in flame, a sacred mark, a secret name, and those who rest beneath your shade will never fear the dark nor fade. Oh, Rowan tree, keep watch for me. Your branches guard my destiny. Through shadowed paths and midnight skies, you light the way where silence lies. So I will lay my hand on you and trust the oath the druids knew. Forever bound by root and leaf, the rowan tree will guard my The wind from the north still carries your name, through heather and stone, through fire and rain. I waited by the shore where the gulls still cry, your shadow in the mist as the years drift by. Oh, my warrior, my heart still burns, for the path you walked will never return. Yet in dreams I see your eyes, like stars that guard the northern sky. The sea has no mercy, the nights grow long, but I wear your memory like a battle song. The sword you left sleeps cold and true. It still remembers the heart of you. Oh, my warrior, my heart still burns, for the path you walked will never return. Yet in dreams I see your eyes, like stars they'll carry your soul where the eagles fly. Oh, my warrior, my love, my flame, the north still whispers your sacred name. When the dawn light breaks, I'll follow you. Beyond the mist, where the sky is blue. Under the northern sky, where the cold stars shine, I wander far from home, lost in borrowed time. The wind remembers me, whispers soft and high. Take me back, where my heart will never cry. Under the northern sky, I'm calling to the night, to the stars above, to the winds that hold my life. Carry me home, where my spirit can fly. Guide me back, under the northern sky. My heart is a lantern trembling in the storm, a flame that remembers where love was born. Oh, guiding moon, hear my quiet plea. Lead me back to the home that waits for me. Oh,